For over 2 months, the Centre for Ancient Mediterranean Near Eastern Studies pairs up with the Istituto Lorenzo de Medici for 12 archaeology lessons studying newly found research about the Etruscans.
Dunque, le più grandi scoperte a Tuscania sicuramente è il fatto di avere dei contesti intatti. In un contesto abbiamo trovato un bellissimo specchio con il mito di Telefo bambino allattato da una cerva, che è un pezzo di assoluto valore sia da un punto di vista archeologico ma anche storico-artistico. Sicuramente il pezzo più importante da un punto di vista proprio della sua qualità artistica. E poi in Toscana abbiamo trovato molte tombe intatte che hanno dato un gran numero di oggetti. La tomba più grande ha dato più di 600 oggetti interi, con 41 deposizioni all'interno, e ancora oggi stiamo trovando delle tombe ancora integre, e quella che presentiamo oggi per esempio è un ritrovamento eccezionale con delle maschere di tipo dionisiaco che sono state ritrovate proprio all'interno di una tomba.
This year's CAMNES conference, the 9th edition, shies away from the general overview of Etruscan history and art provided in previous years, focusing instead on a series of specific topics related to the most recent discoveries made by various scholars. The topics covered are varied and include Etruscan housing in the Archaic period, a tomb found with masks in the Pratino necropolis in Tuscania, and an in-depth analysis of individual monuments. The course of 12 sessions is a great opportunity for archaeology and cultural heritage students to meet with informed scholars and academics to share and learn about the ancient Etruscan people. The archaeology lessons go on until the 28th of May 2019. Please visit the Lorenzo de Medici Institute and CAMNES website for pricing information.
This event, these lessons are part of the project that we are started several years ago about the public archaeology. So one of the goals of CAMNES is to disseminate scientific information to the general public. So people can come here, can follow the lessons, and they pay a fee to follow the lessons, and we will use the fee to finance the excavations and the scientific program that we have.
This year, actually, we're going to focus again on the Etruscans, since this is the 9th edition, and in the first edition, when we just started this whole project, this whole plan, we dedicated to the Etruscan civilizations. After 9 years, we're here again, and we're going to talk again about Etruscans, since we have an Etruscan excavation going on in Tuscania. So we felt it was time to go back and start talking again to the broad public, because this is an event designed for the broad public, even though this will also bring some income to bring along the excavation project. So in this edition, we're going to focus on the new discoveries and new recent studies dedicated to Etruscology.